What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Techtober is finally here, and so is the spooky season. Now, this is also my 100th YouTube video, and it's almost been a full year for me here on YouTube. Not to mention, we're only a few days away from hitting 7,500 subscribers here on the channel, which I can't thank you guys enough for your support. With all that being said, I figured I would go ahead and give you guys some tips on what mistakes to avoid when trying to grow your channel in your first year. If I would have done these things sooner, I feel like I would have seen much more growth in my first year, but woulda, coulda, shoulda, people, you already know how it is. You live and you learn. Now, for the first tip, I want you guys to have a general focus on what you plan on doing with your content. My channel is based off of anything and everything related to tech and gaming, and that's what I enjoy doing, so that's what I plan on focusing on when I'm trying to grow my channel. Now, for example, I love traveling, but I'm not gonna start making travel videos because that's not what my channel is based off of, and it could throw the YouTube algorithm off course. So have a niche that you enjoy and one you feel will suit you for many years to come. Now, once you guys figured out that general focus or that niche that you plan on making content around, I want you guys to go ahead and utilize every avenue possible to help grow your channel, whether it's using social media, friends, family, whatever it is, but I'll go ahead and take this a step further. When you're thinking about creating your next video, make sure that that topic you want to cover has a high score in vidIQ or TubeBuddy. The higher the score, the less saturated that video, product, or topic is, which gives you a much higher chance to appear in search for people to find your videos, which, if they're good, will have a chance to go viral or even get suggested by YouTube. Worst case scenario, if that video doesn't go viral or doesn't get recommended by YouTube, it will still appear in search for many years to come, which will gain you guys exposure that way. Now, for my third tip, I want you guys to strike while the iron is still hot. What do I mean by that? If you guys created a video and it's gaining much more traction than your other previous videos, I want you guys to see what you did right in that video, why you got more views, why you got more watch time. Really watch that video and see what you did right and make sure you guys implement that in your next video. Another way you guys can strike while the iron is still hot is if you see something trending that's getting a lot of views for others and you know it would be a good topic for you guys to cover on your channel, make a video right away on that topic that same day or the next day and try to capitalize off that traffic. The same goes with product reviews. If there's a new product that just came out and there aren't too many videos on it, you need to strike while the iron is still hot and make that video as soon as possible. Tip number 4 is do not obsess over the numbers and analytics. I know this one's much easier said than done. I still till this day struggle with this one because I'm a numbers guy and I love analytics, but the more I focus on numbers, the more I get off track and overthink my next video. If a video tanks and does terrible, just move on to the next one as if you never made it. It's a numbers game and anyone will tell you this. Anything you do long enough, you'll get good at. Which leads me into mistake number 5 that you shouldn't make. Understand that time is not wasted. The worst videos I've made are the ones I've learned the most from. For those of you that have been here from the beginning, you've noticed how much I've gotten better with every video I've made, and that's the whole point. Bringing that together while enjoying what you're doing is really what makes all of this worthwhile. Which leads me to tip number 6, which is consistency. Now, yes, consistency is super important, but it's not enough. If you're consistently making bad videos, that's not gonna get you anywhere. It's kind of like practicing shooting a basketball with the wrong form all day and expecting to go in a game and drop 30 points. It's not gonna happen. You're not gonna get anywhere. The same thing applies to not only YouTube, but also life. Make sure you're consistently getting better with every video, your lighting looks good, your audio sounds amazing, your B-roll looks dope, all tied together with your style, the right tags, and the right thumbnail. Now, for my 7th and most important tip, please don't be afraid about starting a YouTube channel. There's nothing to be scared about. If you guys have some certain inconsistencies or insecurities that you feel like are holding you back, just get over them and go ahead and start making your first video today. There is absolutely nothing to be afraid about. If you guys have some friends that you feel like will make fun of you and that are gonna clown on you, you don't need friends like that in your life to begin with, all right? Whether it's family, friends, whoever it is, throw all that negativity out the window and only focus on yourself and your channel and making your next video better than the one that it was before. I'm gonna be honest, guys, no one really gives a They don't. Once you start making your first video, your first 10 videos, and you start getting better with every video and you're throwing yourself out there, no one really cares. Either they support you or they don't. And if they don't, maybe you don't really need people like that in your life to begin with. Here's what's gonna happen. That first video, it's gonna suck. Get over it, learn from it, and start doing what you love. I really hope you guys have learned something from today's video. I hope you guys have learned from the mistakes that I've made, and you guys can never implement them in any one of your videos. Like I said, Techtober is finally here. Call of Duty season's right around the corner. We've got so many giveaways planned here for the channel. Please make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you did end up liking this video, please, for the love of God, just destroy, annihilate, Mayweather, whatever you have to do to turn that like button blue. That rhymed. Do it, please. It'll really help out the channel. If you have any insecurities you guys want to talk about, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is, Make sure you guys go ahead and drop those down below in the comments section for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.